This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Cindy Caskey. Hands down the most pristine units in Playa Rana, which has an elevator. Beautiful laminate flooring. Heat pump installed May 2019. Microwave Sept 2019. New windows June 2018. Washer 2017. Dryer Sept 2015. Dishwasher Sept 2015. Beautiful move-in ready for owner-occupant or great investment opportunity, as all of these units can be rented weekly or monthly or yearly. Many owners are residents who live here year-round and enjoy the pool, beach, boardwalk and all of the local tourist attractions. Tightly run condo with president on site. All units have a nice balcony with room for enjoyment. All of the furniture conveys to make this your new permanent home or to use as a vacation rental or investment property. This unit is on the southeast side, which allows